Hi there, I'm Sofian and today we are talking about AI SEO Copilot. I'm very excited because it's an app I've been working on quite some time, but let's go. So first we will look at what is AI SEO Copilot, then we will look at how to install the app from the Webflow App Store. We will see why it's important to first publish your website, and finally we will run a first analysis on your page. Let's go. What is AI SEO Copilot? It's a free SEO app for Webflow, and it will stay free forever. We believe that SEO is way too important to be hidden behind paywalls. That's why we want to keep it free forever. But it's also an on-page AI SEO recommendation. We are not tackling all the problem from your Webflow SEO. We are looking at matching one keyword with a page and just making sure that that page is fully optimized for that specific keywords. And finally, it's an open source product. So if you don't like the tool or if you want to ask for new features, just go to the link below and you will see that you can ask for new features, you can look at the roadmap, and you can also participate to the product. Of course, if you don't have time for that, you can always contribute financially by sponsoring the product. So let's look at how to install the Webflow app. In order to do that, we need to go to the App Store from Webflow, and I will also drop a link below. How does it look? It looks like you have the AI SEO Copilot, and you can just install the app. Webflow will prompt you to ask you where do you want to install the app, and you can choose to install it everywhere or personally choosing your website. Of course, I will install it everywhere and I will authorize the app. Finally, I receive a notification, app is installed successfully, and now I can go to my website. On my website, I will see that, I will request me to design here. I can see that I can open through the panel on the left side. I can open my app and launching the app. And there is an app. So let's go back to our presentation and let's see the next point, which is publishing your website. So why publishing your website is so important? Because as you saw, we will be working from the Webflow Designers. And this is where you will optimize your page. However, as soon as you put a target key phrase and you start optimizing with the AI SEO Copilot app, what will happen is the app will go on your live website and fetch all the information from that website. The reason why it's because it's so much easier technically to do it from a live website than from the different APIs from Webflow. Once all those information are fetched, we will send it to our backend. We will call the OpenAI API, and we will do some SEO recommendation and send them back directly to the Webflow Designer. So how does it look like? Let's run our first optimization. So I put a key phrase, Webflow SEO. I'll start optimizing my SEO, and I should be prompt with some score. My SEO score is pretty average, and some recommendation. As you can see, I can have an overview, but then I can also click directly on the recommendation to see how I optimize for them. I get a recommendation that I can copy and directly install on my website settings. But this is for another video. Right now, that was analyzing your SEO and what will come next. So we got a lot of feedback of people feeling a little bit lost about finding the right keywords. So I will do my next video about that topic. But then I also want to talk about my workflow on how I analyze and optimize a page. So what we've done so far is just the analysis part, but let's have a look later to how we can optimize it. And finally, I will also show you and share my workflow on how I create SEO ready page directly with Claude and Webflow MCP server. And that is pretty much done for now. We are 5 minutes. My 5 minutes tutorial is done. Thank you so much for watching and talk to you soon. Bye.